So this is the prototype of a new product that we're coming up with, which is going to be for downloading and printing at home. And when you order it, this is what you get. You get two invitations you could print on cardstock, or one to a page if you like that better. Or you can get, this is to fit into an A10 business envelope. So you could print this one and put it right in an envelope that you have in the house. Or you could do the full 8.5 by 11 thing on just on good bond paper and fold it up and put it in any envelope. And here's a coordinated thank you card. This is the template for an A7 envelope if you want to make them at home, or an A2. This is a liner sheet if you're going to use an envelope that we're not showing here. Or this is a liner for an A7 envelope and a liner for an A2 envelope. These are seating cards, if you'd like to use those. And these are like for little gift tags. And that's the story.